What you're seeing there right now is the Dubai frame. I'm planning to go there once and I'll show you the videos, how it looks and how it is from the top.
Keep right at the fork.
Welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. Today we are going to Ras Al Khaimah. We are right now at Dubai and are going to Ras Al Khaimah, and
Continue for 800 meters.
I'm excited a lot because we are going to the world's longest zip line, that is in Ras Al Khaimah. Me along with Nirmal, we are just started off from Dubai. We'll be going through Sharjah, Ajman and then reaching Ras Al Khaimah. Now 1 hour's drive and then we'll be going up the hill and then taking the world's longest zip line. Yesterday we had gone to the scuba dive and Nirmal was all excited after the scuba dive also. Still was in hangover at night. How was the scuba diving, Nirmal?
Good experience.
It was first time for him also and first time for me also, and we had a great time there under the water. And today we are going to the world's longest zip line and we are right now in Dubai, and there you can see all the skyscrapers and there is Burj Khalifa there and all the skyscrapers there. So we are going towards Ras Al Khaimah now. I'm all excited to reach there and try the world's longest zip line. So we are moving towards Ras Al Khaimah. We are in Sharjah. You can see now all the buildings have started to disappear or it's getting deserted. We are going deep into the desert area or away from the city. That's why you can see that only this area you have few buildings here. Rather than that, there are no buildings around. Only roads leading towards the places. And it's a nice area. The drive is seriously nice. Beautiful roads you have. You can just cruise. If you have a cruise control, put on cruise control. Just keep moving, and you can finally reach there. And the roads you can see there. The roads are really awesome. And I think these are residential towers that's just coming up newly. Other than that, it's desert only. You can see all the sand and everything. We are moving into desert area. See this road, it's straight for kilometers and kilometers. It just keeps going straight. We have come a long way. You can see behind me, that is also completely straight. And here also, completely straight. Just one way, keep going. It's straight. And we are driving through the desert right now. Which area is this? Ajman or?
Bypassing Malquet.
Is it Ajman or Ras Al Khaimah?
We are bypassing Malquet.
That's a camera out there. So if you are over speeding, you will get fined. We have reached Ras Al Khaimah city, and on our left side we have seashore, but it is covered actually. We are not able to see anything there. The other side of this hill or mountain is sea, and this is Ras Al Khaimah city. From here it's another 40-45 kilometers. As we come closer, you can see the mountain terrain. It's very beautiful. It looks dry, but it's beautiful from here. So here it is. On this mountain ranges, we have one of the mountains named Jebel Jais. That is where we are going to. And Jebel Jais is the highest point in Ras Al Khaimah.
In UAE.
He says it is highest point in UAE. So there it is, Jebel Jais. You can see the board showing us the direction towards Jebel Jais. That is where we will be going, and that is where the zip line is set up. The whole mountain range looks special also. It looks beautiful also, even though it is dry. We take this exit and we will go towards Jebel Jais. I'm all excited just to go there, reach there and go on the zip line, zoom on the zip line. This drive itself is special or wonderful, and it will become even more special once you take the zip line. Even if you don't want to take the zip line, people come to Jebel Jais just for hanging out, making barbecues, staying night outs there. They put their tents and stay there, and that what you're seeing there is a palm farm. It's date palm farm. I'm getting a feel of Ladakh or Kashmir just seeing this place. Just when I saw this road, I felt like Ladakh. It is one of the places that I want to go on my bike. I felt like Ladakh. Seeing this, it is just like Ladakh. The terrain is just like that, and there are lots of work going on here. That's why the roads are bad here, just like the Ladakh road. We are on our way up the top. We've just reached almost halfway or more than halfway. After the middle way, the road was awesome, and it is a wonderful tarred road. So it is very nice to drive up here. And we are just standing here at a viewpoint, and it looks really amazing. We have come up all that way up, and we are here, and we are yet to go on top out there. As we were driving up, I just saw this hanging one. It's just completely suspended in air. It's on some lines that is going here and there, and that place is completely suspended. It looks wonderful from there. We booked the ticket and we reached on top, and I just came here. I saw two wild goats roaming around, grazing, and this is the TOROVERDE. I actually don't get to pronounce it properly. TOROVERDE Adventure Park, Ras Al Khaimah. This is the one. TOROVERDE Adventure Park, Ras Al Khaimah. Actually, we got it for the tickets. We got it for 225 dirhams because it was a weekday. If you're coming on a weekend, it is like 300 dirhams. So today we got it on discount, and we got it for 225 dirhams each person. So this is the center. We'll just our booking is at 2 o'clock, and we have to be here by 1:30, half an hour prior to the booking. We'll enter and check.
And inside the welcome center, the mask is mandatory, okay? When you are outdoors, you can take it off for the videos and pictures. And talking about the videos, we have GoPro for rent. If you want to rent one of the GoPro for you, the problem is 135 dirhams. And you can choose between the face and the view. We have two options.
You're here at the registration counter. Just take the thing. It's there on a screenshot. Yeah, show this one. There's a nice cafe kind of restaurant here, and the view from here is absolutely wonderful. And this one is the tallest or highest restaurant in UAE. This is the highest restaurant in UAE. This is the one. So we have just reached up this point, the high point, where they'll be hooking up on the zip and then sending us down. You can see there people getting ready for their chances, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I'm ready for the adrenaline rush, and it's exciting. It should be a crazy ride up there, so hoping it goes on well. And there they go, and I am ready. I switch it on.
Okay, I was just
check.
fixing the position.
Yeah. Just check if it's
Yeah,
the light
it's
is blinking.
recording. Yeah. I was just fixing the
Yeah,
position.
sure.
Legs together. Legs together. Start like push-ups. Keep them up, okay? Yeah. Legs straight.
Sorry?
Keep them up, please.
I'm hungry, Nirmal. I'm hungry.
We must realize we need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives.
Sure.
All of us
Ready.
in our hearts.
Thank you.
There's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our
Oh my god, this was crazy! Woo! I was just reaching They've just held the brakes. I am just reaching towards the floating platform. I'll be going up there, they'll be pulling me up. This was one hell of an experience, once in a lifetime. Everyone, I would recommend everyone to try this. Initially I just got a little scared, the adrenaline rush was there. I didn't know what was happening. Later on, I just got comfortable and I just enjoyed the whole thing, and it was just cakewalk. It's just beautiful and amazing. You can see the whole of Jebel Jais from here.
Alright, buddy.
Yes?
Just grab my ankles.
Is it because I'm heavy? I didn't reach till there?
It's because of the wind, bro.
Ah, okay. No, I saw the other one, he reached there.
Yeah, sometimes, you know. My friend, the wind is hot. Let me go, sir.
Hands up, please. Hands up.
They'll put you down now. You can see there, that's where we started up from, and we have ended up on this floating platform. It was one of hell of an experience.
Alright, buddy. Stand up. Okay. Good job. Come on. Good job.
It was so nice. It was one hell of a ride. I'm just standing here. You can see here the floating platform. This is where we landed up. It's completely floating. And this is the Jebel Jais mountain here. This is one hell of an experience. Nirmal, how was it? How do you feel?
Oh my god, I just had a mini heart attack, to be very true.
He just had a mini heart attack, and I initially had the adrenaline rush. Initially there was wind blowing up. I saw him going up faster than me. I'm heavier than him, but that adrenaline rush was there initially when the wind was pulling. Then I got used to it. I started enjoying the view, and it was crazy, amazing. So if possible, if your heart and can withstand it, and if you can withstand it, you should surely try this. The world's longest zip line. A wonderful experience. So this is me, Tom, signing off, and along with Nirmal. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, and if you don't like it or you have any comments, please do put it also, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.
I did not take it.